Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll show you the unboxing, review, and testing of the Sharge Flow Mini Powerbank, a compact and stylish charging solution I recently discovered while browsing online. So let's get started. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. As we can see, inside we get the user manual, the Sharge Flow Mini Powerbank itself, and a USB-C to Lightning connector, which is useful for charging iOS devices. As I see it, the Flow Mini stands out with its transparent design and silver metallic gloss, giving it a modern and premium feel. It's ultra-compact, and in my opinion, very lightweight, just 3.52 ounces, making it perfect for everyday carry or travel. The built-in USB-C cable doubles as a lanyard, so it's not just for charging, it also adds portability. This cable can be used to charge your phone and to charge the power bank itself, which is a nice touch. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a USB-C to Lightning connector, so you can easily switch between USB-C and Lightning depending on your device. That makes it super versatile. Let's move on to testing. I'll first use the middle USB-C port to charge my phone. As we can see, it starts charging instantly, smooth and reliable. Now, let's connect a second device using the built-in USB-C cable. Again, it begins charging right away. This cable is also used to recharge the Flow Mini itself, which is great for saving space and carrying fewer cables. In my opinion, being able to charge two devices at once is really handy, especially when you're on the go. The LED indicators clearly show the remaining battery level, so you're always aware of how much charge you have left. And if you want to charge an iPhone, simply remove the USB-C connector and plug in the included USB-C to Lightning adapter. Quick and simple. The Flow Mini packs a 5000 mAh capacity, which I think is more than enough for day-to-day needs. It supports two-way 12 watts charging and has several built-in safety protections, including high voltage, temperature control, short circuit, and overcharge/discharge protection. Plus, it's airline safe certified, which is always a bonus for travelers. So in my opinion, the Sharge Flow Mini Powerbank is a smart and stylish solution for everyday charging. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, with thoughtful design features like the lanyard-style built-in cable, LED indicators, and interchangeable connectors. If you're looking for a small power bank that performs big, this might be the one to check out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech reviews.